How many people have ever said things like, finish this sentence, you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit, or you don't get upset. Now imagine you saying that to a child, awesome, and then all of a sudden you go out to dinner, and you order your favorite meal. Who here likes steak? All right, oh, there you go, now people are awake, okay. Who here, now imagine you order your steak with all the trimmings and whatever you want, and the waiter brings back your tofu salad. And then you, as respectfully as possible, say to the waiter, excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. And the waiter says to you, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. And then they walk away. How's that working? It's not. Now, I'm going to ask you, why is that not okay? And I'm going to give you 5 seconds to say it in your mind, and I'll probably read your mind. Why is that not okay for the waiter to say that to you? 3, 2, 1. Who had something in their mind that had to do with money? Well, I paid for my steak, so I want my steak. I don't care, right? It's insane. There's so many things that we say to kids that doesn't make sense. How many of you have ever asked one of your kids, are you being a good listener? Do you have your listening ears on? You're not listening. And the kid's looking at you like, I heard every single word you just said. Are you listening? Yep, heard that. You're not being a good listener. Heard those words too. Why do you keep saying that? I don't understand what's happening. It's automatic. It's insane. We do the same thing over and over. They're always listening. They're just choosing not to follow your directions. Some of you are like, are we talking about the kids or my husband? Okay, so, how many of you have ever done this? Joey. Anybody ever repeated a child's name over a couple of times? What is that? The definition of doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result? Insanity. You're driving yourself insane. Why? And look, he's not listening. But if you have one of those full tall mirrors, you know that on their face every time, Joey, and they're like, make the vein in the head. They love when that happens. How many of you have kids that push your buttons? Okay, can you show me real quick where your buttons are? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.